Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Evetta, your favorite graphic designer, and today I've got some exciting news to share with you. For those of you looking to get a little more hands-on with graphics, I would like to introduce you to the Made It Club YouTube membership. Yes, we have an exclusive club now. So let's get right into the details. By joining the Made It Club, you can now enjoy exclusive benefits like members only badges, custom emojis, and access to special perks like exclusive tutorials, unedited content, and monthly lives with me. It's an exclusive way to help designers grow together while building their skills. Okay, and now I'm going to break down each one of the membership benefits that you will get, and let's see if you're interested in joining. All right, so getting right into the membership benefits, the first one we have is submit video requests. So if you're familiar with my channel, then you know there is a form, I've taken it down because it will only be exclusive to the Made It Club now. But there is a form that you were able to fill out to decide on the next video topic on my channel. The difference now is that you will be able to pick whether it's only exclusive to the Made It Club, or if you want me to post it to the public and share that information with them as well. Y'all get to decide. You get to decide what the video is going to be on. Whatever type of tutorial you want to see, you get to decide. Okay? So access to resources. Another thing that was offered to my normal channel, I would send you all the links, let you know the fonts and whatever elements I use in the tutorial. That benefit will now only be for the Made It Club. You all will get direct links. I'll create a folder where you can get all the elements that I use in tutorials, links to fonts, and anything else that I use in the video. You will all have access to that. Text me. This one is a big one for me. Because I do get questions about feedback and things like that. So I wanted to make sure I offered that to you all and no longer offer it to the public. I don't really give feedback on designs anyways unless you book a consultation. But now, as a part of the Made It Club, you get that for a very discounted price. And you'll have more access to me and be able to ask questions privately and get feedback. So in the Made It Club, there will be a phone number where you can text me anytime. I may not respond at any time, but you can send me your designs, ask me questions. How do you feel about this? What should I change? Get advice, maybe like what platform should I use for this to design? What website should I use? Or just pick my brain, ask me questions, and whatever else y'all come up with. All right. With the exclusive members only videos, this content will only be posted in the Made It Club. So if there's this quick tutorial I want to teach you on how to remove backgrounds from photos in Photoshop, then I'll only upload that to the Made It Club. That way that content, you'll only be able to see it. It will never be posted to my public channel. And you'll only have access to that. So nobody else will get to see it. Of course, that tutorial will be a little more detailed than just removing photos from the background. I mean, removing y'all. Oh my gosh. Removing the background from photos. Okay. But that's something else that you all will get to decide on when you submit requests, if you want it to be exclusive or not. But I will also post my own content that will be exclusive to you all as well. Moving on, early access to new videos. Usually I post tutorials Thursday and Friday to my public channel. From now on, those will be posted on Thursday once they're edited. But Made It Club will get early access to those videos, which will most likely be on Tuesday before it gets posted Thursday to my channel. The benefit to this is that you will get unedited content. You'll see me getting my resources together to get ready to design, basically. So mostly the behind the scenes stuff that you all don't get to see on my regular videos. So me fussing with the backgrounds not being removed correctly, me editing any of the photos that I use looking for fonts, those things that I usually chop out of the public videos, you all will get all of that content. And maybe some little extra things as well. It just depends on how those tutorials go. Next thing we have is live design sessions. This one right here is big for me because I am not a live or like course sit down, you know, that type of thing. I'm not that type of person, but I did want to get a little bit more intimate with you all because this is a paid membership, not just to give more access to me, but just so we can get a little bit closer, build a relationship and things like that. So with these live sessions, I haven't decided yet if they'll be on Zoom or just like do them on YouTube just to keep everything in one setting. But we will do live sessions every month. I will post and see what's like the best time that works for you all, and see whichever time we can get more people in, that's the time that we will go with. But if you can hear my voice is shaking so bad because I am not the type of person to go live. I hate going live, but this is something that I want to challenge myself to do, and just step into a different chapter as a designer, as a YouTuber, as a content creator. I want to do that a little bit more and just work a little bit more hands-on with you all. And let's get off of that before I start crying. Join the club. So if you know, in YouTube, there is a community tab. So now when you join the club, we will have our own community tab. So when I post anything, I can select it to where it only goes to those who are in the club. You'll be able to talk to other designers, share your ideas. And if that doesn't work out, we can always create like a Facebook group or something like that. But I do want to try to keep everything in YouTube. That way we can all see everything at one time. Okay. So joining the membership is super easy. Just look for the join button on my channel. Click it and it will take you right to the membership page. But let's talk about pricing. In order to keep my content in an affordable range, because I know as a designer, the resources we need can be pricey. Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, Pixels is free, but still things like that. It can add up really quickly. And I definitely understand as a designer that we ain't got it like that. All right. So I decided to make only one tier available. That way you can get all of the perks for one price. And that price is $4.99 a month. Okay. Keep it real low. I think it's cheaper than Netflix. All right. So that is pretty much it on the membership. So if you are interested in joining, you can go ahead and leave this video and go ahead and join. Make sure y'all comment, give me feedback. Just let me know how I'm doing in there, because this is new to me and I know it will be new to y'all. I don't see like any designers that have this type of membership on YouTube, especially not any that are creating content like me, like my type of content. So I do want to hear from y'all, especially if you join the club. I would love to hear feedback. Make sure you're active in the group so you don't miss anything, okay? Anywho, if you're not interested in joining the membership, don't worry, okay? You can still support my channel with super thanks. You'll find the super thanks option under any video on my channel. Super thanks allow you to show your appreciation and support by making a donation, and it's a great way to contribute and help me continue creating the content that you love. Thank you all for being such amazing supporters. Your support means the world to me, and I am incredibly grateful. Whether you decide to become a member or show your support through super thanks, your contribution goes a long way in helping me create quality content. Okay? Become a member today and unlock the amazing benefits, or show your support with super thanks. And let's take this journey. Well, let's continue this journey. Okay? Together. All right. If you have any questions about the membership or super thanks, feel free to leave a comment under this video or email me. My email is always in the description and I will be here to help. Again, thank you all for your support. It means a lot to me. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I can't wait to have you a part of our exclusive membership club or a Super Thanks contributor. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.